ready to unlock the power of the Solana blockchain right in your pocket. Let's get Phantom Wallet set up on your mobile device. First, head to your App Store. Whether it's the App Store on iOS or the Google Play Store on Android in the search bar, type in Phantom Wallet. Make sure you're selecting the official Phantom Wallet, easily identified by its logo. Tap Install, give it a moment to download, and then open the Phantom Wallet app. You'll be greeted with the option to create a new wallet or import an existing one if you're new to Phantom. Tap Create a New Wallet if you already have a seed phrase from another wallet. You can import it here. For this tutorial, we're creating a new wallet. This is the most crucial step. Your secret recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase. Phantom will show you 12 words. Write these down exactly as they appear, in the correct order, on a piece of paper. Store it in a safe and secure location. Offline, this is your only way to recover your wallet if you lose access to your phone. Confirm that you have written down your seed phrase somewhere safe. Next, create a strong password for your wallet and enable biometrics if your device supports it. This adds an extra layer of security to access your wallet on the go. And just like that, you're in. Explore the beautiful interface, from managing your SOL and other tokens to browsing Web3 dApps right from your mobile device. Your Phantom Wallet is now ready to connect to the Solana ecosystem. Remember to always be cautious and never share your seed phrase with anyone.